Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and I am one of the jury member for the corporate training sector on this fabulous platform of Womenovata. Before I share my little piece of wisdom with you all, I would like to share something about myself. I'm a working professional with over and above 13 years of experience so far and worked with the best of the companies like Vodafone, Intermart and right now Aptech. At present, I am heading the corporate affairs for the EBG vertical of Aptech Limited. God has been really kind, and along with this, I also got this opportunity to represent India at the international level and make India proud. In the year 2017, I was the winner and crowned as Mrs. Asia Pacific Exquisite International in Baltimore, USA. Before that, I contested for the national level winner and I was crowned as an Exquisite Goodwill Ambassador for consecutively 2 years, 2016 and 17. And there the journey starts. When I returned after winning that international pageant, the world definitely changed for me. It was no more the same. But to reach up to that level, I really worked hard on my inner self as well as on my outer presence. You won't believe that when I saw this dream, I was at the weight of 107 kgs and I asked myself that what would be the thing which is completely impossible to achieve for a woman who is at 107 or 8 kgs, and I wanted to do that. I wanted to prove that to myself. I worked hard and I wanted to be one of the winner, and there I am. But yes, this all calls for lot of determination, dedication and consistency. It is not just that you work on your physical appearance and you will reach there. If you ask me, no, it is not at all like that. You have to put your heart, body, soul and mind all together in a complete balanced way, and then there is no limit for you. You can be there wherever you want to go. You can achieve that, or at least you will put in your effort to achieve that. So we all should keep dreaming with the open eyes so that we can make those dreams really true. And when we see the dreams with the open eyes, we really work hard in all our senses to achieve them. We don't forget them in the very next morning. So keep dreaming. That's my little advice to you all. Now I will share that what exactly I do with Aptech. With Aptech, I look after the corporate affairs. I look after the relations to be managed with the government, with the clients, and then I'm also being a part of some of the internal audits, then the processes. And yes, I keep on executing and work harder to get those schemes wherein we can skill the people below the poverty line, and we train them to acquire a certain skill, and then from there they will be able to get better incomes or better status in life. And along with that, I also work hard to get the personality development tricks and techniques done on the people around. I work along with a lot of platforms, lot of NGO platforms also, and with lot of colleges and corporates also, to polish them for their personality development, grooming, or some polished skills. So this is what I really like to do, because I believe grooming is something which one can never take a mastery on. This is something which we learn every day, and the more we learn, the more we get polished. So at this hour, when the economies are struggling and due to this outbreak of COVID 2019, we all are suffering and the world is standstill, and we are finding ways, we are hoping, we are sitting in hope that how the things will shape up post this outbreak. And we all are wondering that how we will work after that, what will be the economies, what will be the procedures, the policies, our comfort levels, health grounds. So how we will work, how do we manage to work? Honestly, if you ask me, a person like me who is completely into networking and sitting right now stand still and waiting that how the things will change, believe you me, It will never change like that. You have to keep on doing your efforts, and with this video I will give you the idea that how you can utilize this particular time in creating or adding more value to your network. You should not be feeling really outdated. You should be in the touch of people, and you should consistently do your bit of networking every day, so that whenever this lockdown period will get over and things start getting normalized, you will be able to bounce it back with more power, determination, dedication, and with consistency. So I would like to understand from you all that during this lockdown period, you must be having some kind of events, catch-ups, or some work for which the follow-up was supposed to be taken, must be aligned. So what did you do with it? What exactly you have decided for it? I will give you three options rather, not the choices. One, that you have cancelled them. Two, you have postponed those events for the future period whenever the lockdown situation gets over. And three, you tried or you are trying to convert those events on the virtual platform. You are trying to use the technology to get those events executed. Just ask yourself these questions. We have conducted a small survey on this, and we figured out that during this lockdown period, most of the people, they have either postponed their events, they did not cancel it at all, or they tried to convert those events on the virtual platform and they succeeded. So this is what digital networking is all about. I'll be sharing few advices you which you can really explore to do during this lockdown period, and which will help you in building up a good network. Number one, you just try that identifying the goal of your networking. Try to identify that what kind of a networking is really important for your career. Try to identify those goals and try to identify those people who can really be helpful to you to reach up to or to achieve that goal. Just for an example, if I really want to be a fashion stylist, so I will explore that who is the next experienced person out there who is a fashion stylist and who have done it nicely, and I will try to get in touch with them, would like to acquire some information from that friend, and will plan up my goal that how to reach there. So this is one activity which will be very useful and which will give you a lot of clarity during this time. Secondly, what else you can do? You can identify couple of your friends from your calendar. You can fix up some dedicated hours, maybe an hour every week, and you can update that weekly calendar that this will be the day wherein I'll be talking to these of my friends and we will discuss this. So you can do some kind of a virtual meeting like that, and you can also introduce new people who are connected, anyone in the group, in that call, and make sure that you all discuss the agenda nicely, will seek the opinion, the information. This will again help you out. Thirdly, what you can do, you can pull out some crucial contacts or some important people out of your network, and you can just check with them that how they are holding up during this time, how they are doing, are they fine, and just send them some good vibes. It will help you that whenever you make a touch base with them again, then at that particular point of time you won't feel like that you have to break that ice, because this particular text will do that for you. Thirdly, from your calendar, just pull out the meetings which you planned, which were scheduled, and try to convert them on the virtual platform like Zoom. So there is no need to cancel them. All you need to do is to plan it in advance and just inform everybody who is supposed to attend it and just conduct it and just feel the experience of it. Believe you me, once you start doing it, you will start loving it more than the physical meetings. This is really a powerful way to keep on doing your work. You just need to acquaint yourself with the right technology to execute and channelize your work. Now, if you have any group meeting, make sure that everybody gets introduced in that particular meeting, and everybody gets a chance to talk. It should not be like a biased one. Just make sure, like the way we are doing it in our physical meetings, just try to conduct that similarly in the virtual one also. It is very unclear right now that how the world would be after all this. But yes, it is very clear that what kind of opportunities we are getting in terms of technology. And believe you me, you can certainly do a lot of meaningful networking during this time. All you need to do is just to prioritize your thoughts, just to identify your goals and strategize and execute it well. So it depends on you that where you and the people in your network are, and where exactly you yourself and your network want to be. So these are just very basic beginner level digital marketing techniques, or digital networking techniques rather, you can say, that I have shared with you. Very few tips on that, and definitely I'm very much available on my email ID, which you will find at the end of this video, and you can get in touch with me if you want to explore more about it. You can also follow me if you found this content a little helpful to you. Then you can follow me on my Instagram and YouTube and Facebook by the name of BU by Shivani. At the end, I would like to thank Tripti for such a beautiful opportunity to connect with you all during this time on the fabulous platform of Womennovator. More power to everyone. We will overcome this. Just stay safe, be at home, and make the most out of it. Bye-bye.